Hello everyone, hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now it's time for maths lecture, so students let us begin. In our last lecture, we learned some basics of a clock. Now in this lecture today, we will learn how to read a clock. So let's start. First of all, let's see a clock. Let me draw first. So, this is the dial or face of the clock. Long hand, this is long hand or minute hand, and this is the short hand. Okay students, so how to read time from a clock? If minute hand or long hand is at 12 and the short hand is at 1, that means 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. See, let me tell you one more information. That this o'clock is short form of the clock. What does this o'clock mean? This o'clock means of the clock. Okay. So if hour hand is at 1 and minute hand is at 12, then the time will be 1 o'clock. Now hour hand is at 2 and minute hand is at 12. So now what the time will be? The time will be 2 o'clock. The time will be 2 o'clock. Now once again the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. Then what the time will be? Think about it. What the time will be? What the time will be? Very good. The time will be 3 o'clock. If the minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 4, what the time will be? Very good. The time will be 4 o'clock. If the minute hand is at 12, then wherever the hour hand will be, that number will be the time. That number o'clock. The number 4 o'clock. Now the hour hand is at 5. Minute hand is at 12. What the time will be? Very good. 5 o'clock. Now the hour hand is at 6. What the time will be? Very good. 6 o'clock. Now tell the time. Read the clock. What the time will be? Very good. The time will be 7 o'clock now. How? Because the hour hand is at 7, minute hand is at 12. So the time will be 7 o'clock. Now the time will be 8 o'clock. Now the time will be 9 o'clock. Now if the hour hand is at 10, then what the time will be? The time will be 10 o'clock. Then once again, this hour hand will come at 1. Then the time will be 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Now I hope you can read the clock if the minute hand is at 12. So wherever the hour hand will be the number, then o'clock. If the hour hand is at 10, minute hand is at 12, so we will see hour hand is at 10, 10 o'clock. Simple. Very simple. Okay students? So I hope you learn this. See, the dial or face of the clock is like a circle. Isn't it? Yes, it is. This is a full circle. Now what is this? This is half circle. This is full circle. This is half circle. Now what is this? This is the half part of half circle. This is full circle. This much is the half part of the circle. Now this is the half of the half circle. That we can say quarter circle. Full circle, half circle, quarter circle. So this is the full circle. This is the half circle. Quarter circle, quarter circle, quarter circle, quarter circle. So if we join 4 quarter circle, then we will get 1 circle. If we join 2 half circle, then we will get 1 circle. So I hope you understand the concept of full, half and quarter. The half part is half circle and the half part of the half is quarter one. I hope it is clear to you now. So how it is related to clock? Let's see. Now, what is the time? Read the clock. Yes, the time is 1 o'clock. The time is 1 o'clock. Now, some time passed and this minute hand is moving and reach here. Now, are you able to read the time? See, the minute hand moved this much. This was the whole circle. The minute hand started from here and now the minute hand is here. So minute hand has covered this much part. See, from 12 to 3. From 12 to 3. The minute hand has covered this much part. And what we call this much part? Full circle, half circle, quarter circle. So, if the minute hand has passed quarter part, so it is very simple. Quarter passed. Minute has passed quarter of the circle. Minute has passed quarter of the circle. So, quarter passed. Past means बीत गया, चला गया. So, quarter part has passed. Quarter past 1. Quarter past 1. Very simple. 1 o'clock was there. Then the minute hand has passed quarter part of the circle. So simply we had written quarter past 1. See how simple it is? It is very much simple. So let's see the more examples. Now can you tell me the time? Very good, 9 o'clock. Now the minute hand started and now the minute hand is here. Now the minute hand is here. So once again the minute hand passed this much area and this much is quarter area. See, the minute hand started from 12, consider this as 12 and reached 3. This area once again excuse me, once again the minute hand has passed quarter part. So let's write quarter passed. Minute hand has passed quarter past. What quarter past? 9. Quarter past 9. Now, let's see more examples. Once again, let me make clock first. Okay, so now what is the time? 1 o'clock. Very good. Now the minute hand started moving and reached here. Minute hand started moving and reached to 6. From 12 to 6. So what just minute hand did? Minute hand started from 12 and reached here. Means minute hand has covered this much part. So how much part of the circle? Half part. What minute hand did? Minute hand passed. Is already passed. Minute hand has passed half part. So half past 1. Very simple. Minute hand has passed half circle. So half past 1. Let's see one more example. Now what is the time, students? 10 o'clock. Now the minute hand started moving and now here it is. Now can you tell me the time? See students, the minute hand started moving from 12 and is it now 6. So minute hand has covered half part of the circle. So half past 10. Half past 10. See, very simple. If the minute hand has passed quarter part, so we will write quarter past and whatever the time. And if minute has passed half part, then we will write half past. How simple it is? Okay, so let's learn one more concept. So let me draw clock one more time. looking this much distance. See, both the clocks are showing same time, but the difference, are you understanding? If we see by this, then we need to count the greater one. And if we go like this, then we need to count the lower number. So we will go for this one. Now, is this looking like a quarter part of the circle? Is it? Yes, it is looking like. So, if this will move toward this one, then the time will be 3 o'clock. So, after what time will be 3 o'clock? If the minute hand passes this quarter part also, if the minute hand passes the quarter part also, then the time will be 3 o'clock. Simply we will write quarter to 3. If the minute hand will pass this quarter part, then the time will be 3 o'clock. So simply we can say quarter to 3. How simple it is? Now can you tell me the time? See, if minute hand will pass this much part, then the time will be 7 o'clock. So, quarter to 7. If the minute hand will pass this quarter part too, then the time will be 7 o'clock. So, we can say that quarter to 7. See how simple all the things are. So I hope students now you understand the concept of o'clock, half past, quarter past and quarter to. So practice with the wall clock. Take your wall clock from the house and practice with it. You need to learn the difference between quarter to and quarter past. See, very simple. Past means to chala gaya. So, if the minute is past, then simply we will write quarter past. And if the minute will pass, then the o'clock will be. Then we will write quarter to. Simple it is. So students, now let's start exercise. Let's start exercise. Well, so much we had understood. Now let's implement. So all of you open your copies and write down the exercise 9.1. We had in last lecture we started chapter 9, that is time. So enough we understood about the time. So let's implement something whatever we had learned. So exercise 9.1. Question number 1. What time is it? What time is it? See, some clocks are given there and they are asking us to read the time. So question A. Let me draw the clock first, students. So, can you read the time? Hour hand is at 8 and minute hand is at 12. So, what is the time? Very good, 8 o'clock. So, this is how we write 8 o'clock. There is one more way to writing it. Once again, first of all, let me draw the clock. Now, can you read the time? What is the time? See, short hand is it 9, long hand is it 12. Very good. The time will be 9 o'clock. Our hand is it 9 and no extra minutes. So 9 hours 00 minutes. In these two we write the hours and in these two we write the minutes. So 9 hours and 00 minutes. Complete these two. Do it fast. Students, you are done. So students, this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture and continue the exercise. Till then, practice for reading the time. Okay students, so this is all for today's lecture. Bye bye. Stay at home and stay safe.